Guys, are you tired of hearing those awkward comments? People teasing you saying that you walk like a robot, you walk like a girl, or it's too funny to see you walking. Listen, don't get angry anymore. Get better. That's feedback that they are giving you. Because I'm going to help you change it. So in this video, I'm going to show you 6 exercises that you will have to do on your upper body. We'll divide this video into parts, guys. So today we'll focus on the upper body. I will show you 6 simple hand movements exercises that is going to transform your walk from stiff to confident starting today. So today we are going to focus on the hands, the shoulders, the torso. We'll see how you should be moving all your body parts when you are walking. And if you find this video useful, then see that you comment below to make part 2 of it, so that I can show you guys also the exercises for your leg movement. I will wait for your comments, guys. If you comment and if you like this video and if I get good traction on this particular video, then sure I will make a video for your leg movements as well. So hit that like button, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos, guys. Because this channel is coming with amazing men's fashion, travel vlogs, grooming, unboxing and whatnot. So don't waste any of your time, guys. Hit that subscribe button right now. And come on, let's start the video. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. So let's start with the exercises right away. Now this exercise is going to loosen up your top body, guys. Many of you guys have stiff body. They stand stiff like this and they hardly move their top body. But guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to loosen your top body so that while you are walking your movements become more natural. So the main part that is going to engage while you are walking is your shoulder, guys. Your shoulders plays a very important role when you are walking, but many of you guys are not even aware about it. So the first exercise goes for the shoulders, and the first exercise goes like this. You will have to roll your shoulders in back direction like this. You will have to take it behind. Don't bring it forward like this, but take it behind like this. Now you will have to do this for both the shoulders, but don't do it together, guys. Don't do like this, because while you are walking you are moving your hands alternately. You guys know that already, like this. So first exercise, roll your shoulders like this. The shoulders should go behind. They should go behind like this, guys. So do this at least 20 reps. Now while you are doing this exercise, see that you overdo it, guys. Don't do only a little bit like this. Overdo it like this. If I'll show you on the sides, as you guys can see, I'm doing this. So do 20 repetition of this exercise, guys. Now this exercise, guys, what this exercise will do is it will loosen your shoulders. Some people keep their shoulders very stiff. We don't want that. We want loose shoulders. We want the movements to come natural. Now how to implement it while walking, that I will show you later. But at the moment, do this exercise. Now once you are done with that exercise, we'll move on to the second exercise. And the second exercise is you will have to move your entire hands like this. Let me come a little bit forward. So you will have to roll your entire shoulders like this. And again, please notice that I'm taking my hands behind. I'm not taking them forward like this. Don't take them forward, because when you take them forward, your shoulders are rolling on the front side, which we don't want. We want our shoulders to go back and down. So do this exercise going backwards. Take your hands as back as possible, guys. I have very little space here, that's why I'm not taking them behind. But you will have space, so take them as behind as possible, so that your shoulders will go back and down. Again, guys, this exercise is to loosen up your shoulders. It is to open up your shoulders, guys. Some people keep their hands very close to the body like this. We don't want that. We want slight gap between your hands and your torso. So to do that, let's open up our shoulders and do this exercise. Again, 20 repetitions. So this was the second exercise. Let's move on to the third exercise now. And the third exercise is a very important exercise, guys, because it directly resonates with your walk. And the third exercise is you will have to get your shoulder up like this. Now when you are getting your shoulder up like this, I want you to engage your entire back. So guys, I want this entire side, this entire back from here, I want it to move like this. So this you will have to do 20 reps on one side, and then you will have to do 20 reps on this side. Now you will have to engage your entire back, guys, like how I am doing here. I'm like tightening this neck part so that my entire back is getting involved. So this also 20 repetitions. Now why you have to do this exercise is while you are walking, guys. This is what we are doing. This is what we should do actually. Our shoulder should roll a little bit when we are walking. So when you are taking that step, this shoulder should come up a little bit, not too much. Don't overdo it when you are walking, but that we'll see later on. But now when you are exercising, you can overdo it. When you should overdo it, because your body should get used to it to move that way. So this is what we want while walking. While walking, we want this, a slight upwards direction of the shoulder. That is the reason why do this exercise. Again 20 repetitions on both the sides. Once you are done with that, let's move on to the fourth exercise. And the fourth exercise is for your hands movements, guys. Now all the exercise that we did was for the shoulders, so you guys know how important your shoulders are. Shoulder roll is a very important thing while you are walking, guys. Nobody even care about their shoulders while walking, but they play a very important role that will help you to look confident. So the next one is for the hands. So your hands exercise is you will have to do like this. I will show you from the side. Your hands are down. I'll take the camera a little bit down so that you guys can see. The moment the hands you cannot see with this angle. Okay, can you see the hands? Okay, I think you can. So what we are doing now here is we are taking the hands here till here, not above here or down here, till here, and then till here. We are doing this. So this also you will have to do 20 repetitions. From front side you guys can see this is what I am doing. I am not taking this like this, guys. This is not the right way. It should go behind. Should go behind like this. This is what we are doing. This is what we want to achieve, guys. Keep doing this 20 times because we are now integrating our hand movement in our walk, and it is going to be amazing walk, guys. Believe me, if you practice this exercises every single day, then you are going to change your walk like anything. So do it. Now these are the hand movements. Many people keep their hands very close to the body like this and then they move. Some people they overswing the arms like this and it looks as if they are marching, guys. This is also not correct. Practice this hand movement like how I am showing you guys 20 times. One hand 20 times, guys. So total 40 times. Once you are done with this, let's move on to the fifth exercise. And for the fifth exercise, let me adjust my camera again, guys. Let me adjust my camera again because it is focusing too much down now. Okay, back to the normal mode. And the fifth exercise is, guys, is for your torso. This part, sometimes some people keep it very stiff. It doesn't even move while walking, and that is the reason why their upper body is not very flowing. The upper body is kind of stiff and everything becomes stiff if this part is stiff. So the fifth exercise is you will have to rotate your torso like this. Rotate your torso. Make it tight but rotate it. Your entire thing should move like this, guys. Entire thing. Not only the top part. This is remaining like this, but your chest is coming this side. No, not like that. Your entire stomach area should move like this. Yes. Again 20 repetitions. I'll show you from the side how it looks like this. So hope you guys got it. This is to loosen this part, guys. This part is become stiff. That is the reason why everything has become stiff. So this part, move it now. Let it loosen up so that your walk will look awesome. So that was the fifth exercise. So let's move on to the next exercise, the last exercise for today for your upper body, and that is you will have to move your hands like this. Again, there is pressure on the shoulder, guys, but your elbow should go out like this. Elbow should go out. I'm telling you this exercise because many people keep their hands touched to the body like this, and then it looks as if they are walking like girls. We don't want that. We don't want this touching our torso here. We want our shoulders to be slightly apart from our body like this. We want it like this, guys, and we want that nice movement. So next is this exercise, 20 repetition, just to take your elbows out from your body. Once you keep doing these exercises, guys, your body will start to remember these movements. So you will have to do it every day for at least a month, guys. Don't do it once in 1 year and come to me and tell me that my walk is still the same. No, I want you guys to do it at least for a month. So the final exercise, you will have to do this to take your elbows out, because we want a nice relaxed posture like this. We want a nice relaxed posture like this. We should be standing with our chest out, shoulders down, back looking up. And I've already made a video on posture. If you guys have not watched that video, then I recommend you guys to go and watch that video, guys. Very helpful video, must watch video. I will try to put a link of it in the end screens. Go there and watch that video, and then implement those things that I'm telling you in that video. That is the important part, guys. The action part is very important. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. How many of you guys liked this video? How many of you guys found this video useful? Do let me know in the comment section below. And if you guys want me to do a part 2 of this, focusing on the legs, showing you the leg exercises to improve your walk, then I want you guys to do 2 things. I want you guys to like this video as much as possible, and I want you guys to comment below and motivate me to make the part 2. So now I have put the ball in your court. You guys are the one who are going to decide if you want the part 2 of this exercises which will focus on your legs now. So if you are serious about changing your walking style, then start commenting, guys. It is absolutely free. So if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share it with your friends and family. And if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then subscribe to my channel and keep that bell icon pressed so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson Fernandes signing out until we meet again. Ciao.